Hello, welcome to the Knowledge Hunt. Today we are going to take a ride of Nepal, also known as Land of Mountains, and in this video we will also see some tourist attractions of Nepal. Here are some of the most amazing facts about Nepal which will amaze all of you. We all know that Nepal is a very beautiful country located in South Asia and is a landlocked country with various Himalayan landscapes, amazing mountains and awesome places. Nepal is a piece of heaven. A very small country with a small territory of 1,47,182 square kilometers area extending approximately 880 kilometers east to west in the shape of an elongated rectangle. Nepal lies in between the two giant countries India and China. The population here was 27.8 million in 2013. Nepal includes three landscapes called Himalayan, which is a very high level from sea level with the Himalayas there, hilly the middle part and the Tarai region. The landscapes, the rivers, the top mountains, various flora and fauna makes Nepal more glorious. In 2018, adult literacy rate for Nepal was 67.9%. Adult literacy rate of Nepal increased from 20.6% in 1981 to 67.9% in 2018, growing at an average annual rate of 36.06%. The life expectancy for Nepal in 2020 was 70.88 years, a 0.41% increase from 2019. The life expectancy for Nepal in 2019 was 70.60 years, a 0.41% increase from 2018. The life expectancy for Nepal in 2018 was 70.31 years, a 0.49% increase from 2017. From 1846 to the 1950s, Nepal was closed off to the outside world. Under the Rana regime, the country pursued a policy of isolation from external influences in order to maintain its independence during the British colonial era in South Asia. Since then, the country has seen its first multi-party parliamentary elections in 1991, a Maoist insurgency between 1995 to 2006 and the abolition of its monarchy in 2008. Siddhartha Gautama, the Lord Buddha and religious leader on whose teachings Buddhism was founded, was born in Nepal. His birthplace, Lumbini, is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Nepal is a landlocked country. It is surrounded by land with no access to the sea. There are currently 45 such countries and 5 partially recognized states. A devastating 7.8 magnitude earthquake struck Nepal in April 2015, killing nearly 9,000 people and injuring thousands more. In May 2014, Nepal marked 365 days of zero poaching of rhinos. A year later, in 2015, the feat was repeated, marking 2 full years. Nepal is one of 5 Himalayan countries where the greater one-horned rhino, Indian rhino, can be found. Nepal is one of a handful of countries to have never been under full European control. From 1814 to 1816, Nepali military forces fought in the Anglo-Nepalese War and ceded approximately 30% of its territory to the UK. However, Nepal remained independent and as such does not celebrate an Independence Day like so many countries around the world. Impressed by the military capacity of the Gurkha troops, the British Indian Army, which recruited its soldiers from Nepal, created the Brigade of Gurkhas in 1815. The brigade was transferred to the British Army in 1947. Known for their ferocity, Gurkhas have fought for the British in multiple conflicts. In 2009, all retired Gurkhas finally won the right to live in the UK after a lengthy public drive. Nepal is home to the highest mountain in the world. Mount Everest is 8,848 meters, 29,029 feet high, one of just 14 8,000ers and a member of the 7 summits. Unsurprisingly, several of the most interesting facts about Nepal are related to its mountains. Mount Everest is known in Nepali as Sagarmatha, which translates as Goddess of the Sky, and in Tibetan as Chomolangma, meaning Holy Mother. 8 of the 10 highest mountains in the world are located in Nepal: Annapurna I, Manaslu, Dhaulagiri, Cho Oyu, Makalu, Lusa, Kangchenjunga, and Everest. They are all over 8,000 meters, 26,247 feet high. Nepali citizen Kamirita Sherpa holds the record for the highest number of Everest summits. He reached the summit for the 23rd and 24th time in May 2019 at the age of 49, after making his first ascent in 1994. The mythical Yeti, or abominable snowman, is said to inhabit the Nepali Himalayas. There have been multiple alleged sightings of the Yeti over the years from various sources, including the legendary mountaineers Reinhold Messner, Sir Edmund Hillary, and Tenzing Norgay. However, there has never been any definitive proof of its existence. In 2015, the cow officially became the national animal of Nepal. The slaughter of cows has been banned. The Nepali calendar, known as Magh, is different to the Gregorian, Western, calendar. New Year begins in mid-April. Months can be as long as 32 days and can vary year to year. As such, in April 2019, Nepal celebrated the arrival of the year 2076. Nepal is the only country in the modern world to have a non-rectangular national flag. Instead, it consists of two pennant banners.
According to Hindu mythology, Nepal derives its name from an ancient Hindu sage called Ni, referred to variously as Ni or Nemi. According to Pashupati Purana, as a place protected by Ni, the country in the heart of the Himalayas came to be known as Nepal.
The world's shortest man was from Nepal. Bahadur Dangi was just 54.6 centimeters, 21.5 in, tall. In 2014, Chandra met fellow record holder Sultan Koshan, the tallest man at 251 centimeters and 4.5 times the height of Chandra. Chandra died in 2015 aged 75. Nepal has a unique and rather awkward time zone. Nepal Standard Time, NPT, has an offset from Coordinated Universal Time, UTC, of +5:45. It is one of just 3 time zones with a 45-minute offset from UT. Colored prayer flags can be seen all over Nepal, particularly in the mountain regions where the Tibetan influence is stronger. They traditionally come in blue, white, red, green and yellow, and symbolize the sky and space. Blue, air and wind; white, fire; red, water; green, and the earth; yellow.
Most of the power in Nepal comes from hydropower, but it is not very reliable. About 90% of marriages in Nepal are arranged and the bride and groom will usually not meet or see each other before the wedding day. Although, love marriages, choosing your own partner, are becoming slightly more popular.
Namaste is the standard greeting in Nepal. It can mean hello, goodbye, thank you, but translates to I salute the God in you. People put their palms together and then bow their forehead and say Namaste. Hinduism and Buddhism are the two main religions in Nepal. Nepal has living goddesses known as Kumaris. A Kumari is a living embodiment of the Hindu goddess Taleju. The somewhat controversial tradition sees a young girl taken from her parents, with their consent, to live as the royal Kumari in a temple palace in the Nepalese capital, Kathmandu. After coming of age following several years in isolation, she rejoins society and is replaced. Nepal has the second highest average elevation on the planet at 3,265 meters, 10,711 feet. Only Bhutan at 3,280 meters, 10,761 feet, is higher. Nepal is home to the longest-lasting handshake. In March 2011, brothers Dinesh Timilsina and Pawan Timilsina shook hands for 42 hours and 35 minutes in Kathmandu. Tourism is travel for pleasure or business, also the theory and practice of touring, the business of attracting, accommodating, and entertaining tourists, and the business of operating tours. Tourism may be international, or within the traveler's country. The World Tourism Organization defines tourism more generally, in terms which go beyond the common perception of tourism as being limited to holiday activity only, as people traveling to and staying in places outside their usual environment for not more than one consecutive year for leisure, business and other purposes. Nepal tourism is highly popular as it has the highest mountain peak of the world, the Mount Everest. Tourism in Nepal is filled with activities like trekking, hiking, mountaineering, jungle safari, rafting, tours and so on. It is truly a traveler paradise as adventure tourism is something which can be enjoyed to a great extent in Nepal. Nepal tourism consists of many wonderful places to visit and the country is loaded with spectacular views of various landscapes. The birthplace of Siddhartha Gautama Buddha, Lumbini falls to the south of Nepal and is one of the highlights of tourism in Nepal. Tourism industry is the largest service industry and source of foreign exchange and revenue. It is the main source of economic sustenance after agriculture in Nepal. Tourism in Nepal has been seeing increase in the number of visitors each year, which only reflects the growth of this industry in Nepal. There are famous pilgrimage destinations like Pashupatinath, Muktinath, Swargadwari Temple, Gosain Kunda Lake, Halesi, Khaptad, Gademai, Kangalini, Patibhara, Buddhisubba, Vishnu Paduka, Dantakali, Baraha Kshetra, temples at Devghat, Manakamana Temple which is in the Gorkha district and more in Nepal. There is no dearth of activities that one could undertake in their trip to Nepal. The popular tourist destinations in Nepal are the capital of this place Kathmandu, the Kathmandu Valley, Chitwan, Jankapur, Pokhara, Bhaktapur, Patan, Palpa, Ilamnagar Court, Annapurna region, Everest region, Langtang region and many more places. Popular tourism types in Nepal are business, adventure, cultural, sustainable, ecotourism, pilgrimage, educational, sports, rural, medical, backpacker, geotourism etc. Tourism in Nepal is also boosted with the adventure activities like ice climbing, trekking, hiking, rock climbing, paragliding, jeep flyer, bungee jumping, jungle safari, mountain biking, white water rafting and more. For those who love adventure travel, Nepal offers endless options along with the beautiful views of the landscapes. Other popular tourist activities which are part of tourism in Nepal are city tours, cultural tours, bird watching, boating and so on. A tourist not only gets to enjoy the trip with majestic views of the various peaks but also gets an opportunity to understand the culture, hospitality of Nepali people and village life of this country. It is vital for Indians traveling to Nepal to carry their valid passports. However, tourists who do not possess their passport for Nepal from India can produce a few other documents in its stead to enter the country. Please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. If you like this video, hit a like for this video.